Revision cloud is a cloud-shaped object. Allows you to easily highlight changes are about to make on the drawing. In the revision style settings, you can set general settings for revision clouds, including arc lengths. When you add a revision cloud to a view, ARCHLine.XP assigns the first revision to the revision cloud by default. You can assign a different revision to the revision cloud later. You can assign a revision to each revision cloud, or you can assign the same revision to multiple revision clouds. I create revision clouds on the drawing. I place the starting point of the revision cloud contour. Then I place the opposite corner point of the revision cloud contour. I assign the revision note to the revision clouds one by one. The Show Reference command displays the reference number assigned to each cloud in a view. The size of the text depends on the current style setting. This can be changed later. The Hide Reference command hides reference number assigned to each cloud in a view. I can place a revision cloud in section view and print layout too. Revision schedule lists the revisions related to revision clouds in the view. Not assigned revisions are not listed. Revision schedule list placed on the floor plan can be saved to Excel worksheet.